Mm-mm. It's like, oh, you got me in headlock? No, I got you in headlock. You ready to go? You ready to go? Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah, alright, I'll eat your feet too. Oh, okay, yeah, you want some?
See, Fat.
Okay, I'll eat your hand too. Give it to me.
He's like, I'd rather eat your neck. No, I want to eat your ear. I was trying to eat his mouth. They're kind of like a mirror now.
Okay, you want some more? Well, let's go.
Do you see what Fat's doing? Fat's putting it to his ear. Then he's watching his ear.
Where are y'all two going at it? You little badass.
Then bit.
Ow.
Can I stop him now?
Mm-mm. They're playing.
Just tell me when to stop him.
I'm not. They're playing.
Mama, but I just don't want them to get hurt while
No, they're fine. Leave them alone. Ow.
Fat's like, no, I'd rather stop now. First, Fat's like, no, I want to get out.
Look, are you staying out of it? I mean, Milky staying out of it? You're just going to lay on there.
No.
Oh,
Milk
you
is
think you're
kinda
big,
shy.
girl, huh? I'll show you big. Don't mess with me.
Fat. Every time I show him my sock, look, he'll run after my sock.
Well, he gonna jump on you, Loca. Watch him.
Going right at the point. He's
Oh,
like,
he got you in headlock, Loca. Oh, she got out of it. Oh, she got you now.
Oh, trying to get her butt. Look, I was trying to get her butt.